responsibility testers. We are the gatekeepers. Without us, there is no application. That's why feel proud to be a tester. Have the zeal, have the passion. We are the tester. Without us, there is nothing. So what everyone do testing, man. So if your wife is cooking food, so she will test it, not you are. So she will test. Okay, so that's a testing. So you're coming out of, means you're coming to the class. So you will lock your door. You will check whether the door is properly locked or not. You're coming when you lock your bike. So you will check whether the bike is locked proper. Everywhere you are doing testing. Without testing, there is nothing. Be proud to be a tester. Madhukar. Alert? Come on, clap. Thank you. So it's a low reliability and number of human resources and inconsistency. I don't want to go into details of these things because everyone know about this. Everyone know about these things. And next, automation testing. So it's a speed, repeatability, and means you know, right? So you can keep it and you can go and sleep. Next day morning you can come and see the results. So programming capabilities, test coverage, reliability, reusability. So these are all the factors which we have discussed and everyone know about these things. Okay, the next point. Yes, what is meant by test automation and test process? Test automation is a software to control the execution of tests. See, you have QTP, you have Silk test, you have coded UI. Everything, these are the softwares. Those softwares are not testing. They are supporting for the testing. So that's an important factor you need to keep it in mind. Test automation is a process to support testing. Test automation is not testing the applications. See, we are doing functional testing, regression testing, where these things we are supporting from our side. Means this tool is supporting to do the functional testing, to do the regression testing. Okay, so that's the important points we need to be cached. So that's where we have written. Test automation is not testing. Test automation supports the testing, and test automation is a process to be maintained. So that's a process. So the process you need to maintain. Okay, and so this everyone knows, like, so how it will be, means how we are trying to control. How we are trying to control means, so we are comparing the actual versus, means the actual outcomes to the predicted outcomes. Okay, and this is a test automation process. So first, understand your application, understand your AUT or SUT. What is SUT? AUT? Hey, what is meant by AUT, guys? What you are thinking, man? Okay, application under test or software under test. So understand that particular application and then plan and what the tool selection. So as Prabhu said, so first plan what are the tools you are going to use and what are the tools and means how I need to test it, and prepare the strategy for automation, not plan, strategy, and then script identification. So then make it the path. So I hope everyone knows about the test enumeration. No or no, means yes or no. Test enumeration is nothing but, boss, if at all I given a requirement, okay, a new requirement I have given, in which point of directions, which point of angles I need to see. Want to wash your face? You're stopping while seeing me. Okay, so if you got a particular requirement, okay, if you got that particular requirement, how you are enumerating means into what classifications you are doing. Guys, this is one of the important thing every tester need to understand. Blindly, if someone gives some requirement, okay, this I need to do only function. No, you need to think there is a factors. Yes, if you got a requirement, first see what are the functional things I need to test. Second thing, what are the regression things I need to do, and what are the integration things I need to do. What are the compatibility things I need to do. And what is the performance I need to do? What is the security I need to do? Security testing, performance testing. So what is the performance testing? What are the subclassifications? Huh? Guys, online, you can give me the answer.
Yeah, load testing, load testing, stress testing, this is about performance testing.
Yes, in the performance, we will have broadly classified into 4 sections: load, test, scalability, durability. And further, we have spike, endurance, soak, reliability, all remaining things also there. Okay, and in the security, guys, if I give you an application, you need to come up with all these things. You don't come with me only for functional testing. Okay, if at all you got a requirement, you need to think from all these 6 perspectives. Security testing, we need to do firewall testing, penetration testing, we need to do authentication and authorization testing. So apart from this, we have OSAP 10, top 10 is there, SQL injection, cross-platform testing. So like this, we have all 10. Whatever the things you wanted to test, you need to, it's your job to propose in your in scope. So that's where I asked you to first concentrate on the test artifacts, how you are preparing a test plan. So that makes you a perfect tester. So in scope defines you how I have to see this application. So you need to see the application from all the perspective views, different perspectives, not from a single direction. So you need to be matured enough to maintain the governance, and you need to maintain the complete testing perspective views. Okay, so anyways, I'm diverting. Alert, clap, sound. For you separately, I need to tell her. Clap, man. Come on, guys, clap. Yes. Why? Because I'm making alert like everyone is awake. Yes. So that's where the script identification and sorry, we are in the test enumeration. So test enumeration is nothing but segregating of your test cases into different sections and making the test suits is called the test case enumeration. So regression testing suit and smoke suit, and then we will be going for functional suit, and then you will be going for your performance suits, and even you can go for your security suits. Most of the companies are not going with remaining things, but as a tester, this is our job. We need to point out with a different point of views and different angles. Okay, yes. So that is called the test case enumeration, and the test packs creations and test scripts creations and test executions and reporting and test suite maintenance. So this is a particular process flow. No need to by heart this one. So once you understand the complete process, automatically you can it would be on your fingertips. Okay. So the next one, why automation? He's not my friend, huh? Don't worry. So why automation? So that's what we have already discussed. So these are the factors which makes us to do the automation. So as I said, manual workflows, all fields, negative scenarios is the time and the cost consuming. So as the people said rightly, so it was taking so much of time and cost for all these negative scenarios. Guys, everyone, that's the mistake we are doing. See, we shouldn't point out every time the developer. Even there is some mistakes from our end. Understand that mistakes where we are getting and give the good quality. Boss, if you are giving a product to the people, that should be at least 99.99963% quality. If you are failed to do that, we are failed to do our profession. Try maximum, test the application, understand the application. If you don't understand, you can't test it properly. So first understand and test that one application. So not only go with the positive scenarios, go with all negative scenarios. You may get only one positive, but you may get 10 negative test cases. Go with all negative test cases. If you are writing the negative test cases, more number of negative test cases, then you are the good tester. And guys, I am saying that negative test cases, I am not saying that if you write 1,000 test cases, you are a good tester. No. Then you will be calling a good, means a tester means if you cover your requirements. Okay, if you cover your requirements, then only you will be called as a good tester. If you write 10,000 test cases and you miss two, 3 requirements, then you are not a good one. Anyone may miss, I accept that, but to maximum extent, you need to take care. Go with all negative scenarios. So I don't bother even, means if you write 1 or 2 test cases for positive, but write 10 test cases for your negative test cases. So that makes the difference. Okay. Yes, next one, testing multilingual sites. See, if at all you got a site